Okay, boys and girls, today's math lesson, let's start with putting our name at the top. And then we are going to count the numbers and we're going to circle the number that matches the 10 frame. So this is like our subitizing where I show you the cards and you try to tell me the number as quick as you can. So remember, every time that 10 frame on top is full, you don't have to count each of those numbers because you already know that that's 10. So then if I have 1, 2, 3, 4 left in this box, if I have 10 and a 4, what number would that be? 14. So circle 14. Okay, so the next one. This is 10. We don't have to count it. And then we have 5, 6, 7. So 10 and a 7. What number is that? 17. Very good. And this one has 10. Oh, my dog is barking. 10 and one more. So 10, 11. And this one has both 10 frames filled. So it's 10 plus 10. So if I have two 10 frames that are full, I have two 10s. What number is that? It's 20. Very good. And on this one, I'm just missing this one right here. So what's the number less than 20? Just one less. It's 19. Good job. And on the last one, I have a 10 here, and then let's keep counting. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So circle the 15. Okay. Now on the back side, you're going to count and color the shapes to match the number. So if you want to get your crayon, or we don't have to actually use crayons this time, you can just use your pencil because I just want to see that you can color the number. So first I want you to tell me what this number is. Yeah, it's 12. So let's just draw a line through 12 of these. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. Good. Okay, what number is this, boys and girls? 17. Very good. Let's count 17. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, and 17. So you should have 2 left. Okay, look at this number. What number is that? It's number 11. Count 11. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. What number do you see here? Yeah, it's 15. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and 15. Okay, tell me what number this is. What number is that? It's 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. And the last number, can you tell me what number this is? It's the number 13. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, and 13. Awesome job, boys and girls. Give yourself a smiley face or a heart or a star, whatever works for you. Turn it into your teacher and then do what they ask you to next.